Blackberry Italian meringue horns. A fruity, rich, sweet dessert that melts in your mouth. A special homemade shortcrust pastry recipe, so flaky crust. Light and stable blackberry Italian meringue. They are best next day. (295 g, 10 Oz, 2 1/4 cups, all-purpose flour. A quarter teaspoon, salt. 150 g, 3 Oz, butter chilled, cut in small pieces. Mix together and use your hands to help the pastry reach a crumb consistency if necessary. 100 g, 5 Oz, half a cup, whipping cream. 70 g, 5 Oz, 1/3 cup sour cream. Chill the pastry for at least half hour. Blackberry Coulis. 200 g, 7 ounces fresh or frozen blackberries. 100 g, 5 Oz, 1/2 cup sugar granulated. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Stir the mixture and cook over low heat until the sugar dissolves. Strain the coulis through a fine mesh strainer. Chill the sauce until it's cold. Baking. Cut into 3 cm strips. Take a strip and roll onto the horn mold. Push down and overlap as you go. Place rolled horn molds onto a baking sheet and brush with egg wash. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Blackberry Meringue. 180 g, 3 Oz, 3/4 plus 2 tbps cup, sugar granulated. 1 tablespoon, lemon juice. 60 g, 10 Oz, 1/4 cup, water. Place over medium heat for 5 minutes. Do not stir it at all during this time. Mixture should reach 118 to 121 degrees Celsius, 244 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. In 90 g, 2 Oz egg whites. 1 tablespoon, lemon juice. While whipping, slowly pour sugar syrup steady stream into egg whites. Continue whipping until soft peaks form. As per intensity requested, add 10 to 15 tablespoons of Blackberry Coulis. Whisk until firm peaks form. Fill the horns from both sides so that the meringue covers the entire length. Dust with icing sugar. Thank you for watching, comments and advices, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.